Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I have had many requests as to how do you turn a round arrangement and how do you make it elongated. Well, I have got tips and tricks on how to take a beautiful round, and I love these rose bowls. They're all ready to go. All you need to do is put them into any room and it's just going to give that lovely air of someone lives here and someone cares, because that's what flowers are all about. Let me show you. And the other thing I wanted to tell you, in design, everything starts with a dot, and that dot can get bigger to form a circle. And then if you use something like a wreath, and then you put a rose bowl into the middle of it, now you've got something that's even bigger. And this concept that I'm about to share with you on how to take this round to something elongated is so easy. You're just going to love yourself for life, because from this you can, just the green and the white, you have two beautiful colors that you can extend and do all sorts of things with. Right, now do you want to turn this into something elongated for, say, a wedding, for a banquet, for Thanksgiving, for the holidays? With the white, the sky's the limit. You can do anything with it. So today we're going to take this basic round and we're going to make it long and elongated. Another little thing I want to share with you is rounds look good on square tables. Elongated looks great on long tables. That's the little trick to always be remembering. Okay, so we want to extend this. Now with these rose bowls, we have here in the collection these blooms here. These are the bigger ones that you will find in here, and these are the buds that you will find in here. Design starts with a dot. Now the dot gets bigger. You want to make it long, it starts with a line. And the trick to remember is whatever you do on this side, you do on this side. So let's start with the bigger buds. I've got 3. Now, I forgot to tell you, you'll have noticed that, I'll lift this up, you'll notice that I put it onto a tray. A tray or a plank is always the best way to start your foundations. The reason I do that is because this makes it easy to move around. So if you're doing these at home and you're doing them out the back or on your bench or wherever, and you want to take to the table, you won't even see the tray, even a piece of wood painted white. Just put it on the top of it, into the middle, and then you can move it around. Okay, to start, let me just put all of those over there. To start, we want to make it long. So it's just a matter of lifting this and taking that into there. Right, we've got one that long on that side. Let's bring exactly the same size. Let's bring the other one along to here. Now look what's happening. We've got something long. Now you can make these as long as you like, or you can bring them in as narrow as you like. So we're going to put one into there, lifting that up, and then we'll bring that to there. And because you've done that to there, it's just a matter of repeating to the other side. So that's going that way. If it's going the wrong way, you can be in charge of which way you want your directional lines. Now, so that there, that placement over there is really lovely. This direction over here is like, what's happening here? Train tracks. We don't want train tracks. So just lift that in and make sure that all your extensions look like they're coming from one point. So my point is in there. So it's a little dot, and it's just, from that line, they now just go out as if they were growing, and by that I mean like this, saving those two lines as close as you can together instead of like that, so it looks like it's that natural order of growth. The next to go in will be this one, and just lifting that up a little bit, and we'll just bring that into there. So now we've got a step. We've got one here, we go one to there, and we've got one to there. Try and not have them on the same line. They need to be at different angles, different spaces between each one. So I've done that there. so it's just a matter of coming over to this side and repeating it over to there and just moving that around. If you need to move that in just a little bit further to crisscross it, then just do that. And don't be worrying about them moving at this stage, because we can fix that at the end of the day. Now, the next thing, because we've got these little bits here, we've got the big into there, we now need to transition this big further into the display, and it's just a matter of taking that into there, and we'll put that to there. Because we've done that there, we need to have another one. So see how you're going from small, small, and then as you get into the design, they're getting bigger. So that's going to go to there, and this can just go in and over to there like so. And because you've got that leaf structure of your magnolias, you've actually got something to lift your flowers onto. The next thing we need to do is we need the transition. So we've got these forms here, the bud, then you've got the big forms. Now we need to bring in something that's even more graduated in space and size. So this can go down and into there like so. So see how your eye's hitting that and they're just all drifting into there? I've got another one of those, so I'm going to bring that up and over and into there, and you can splay those out as you go. So see how easy it is? We're starting from there. You've got all that massive white and quite bulkiness, and then we're just slowly just drifting those out. This principle also works for flowers on a casket. Same thing. From there, drifts out, from there, drifts out. And if you remember that there's an imaginary line through the middle, what you do on this side, you always repeat on that side, and then you'll always have perfect balance. The next thing I want to go in are flowers that are even smaller. So I still need to diffuse the bulk of these flowers down here. So I'm just going to bring that into there, and I'll just bring that out and into there. And because I've done that there, I'm going to do the same over to this side here. I've got one more of those. I'll put that into there. And you can put in as many different flowers as you like. Put that to there. Whoop, and then, so I've got that there. I need to bring one in and over to here. And it's just a matter of just poking them in until you get, and today isn't like about doing something perfect. Today's just about sharing how to take that round arrangement and extend it out. Now with this here, now I'm going to just bend this. I'll just bend that and I'll put that into there like so. And then I'm going to repeat this one over to here because I need to. And these are great. You just might have to just a little bit of, hold on. I'm going to have to do it. I would cut that. But that's just going to splay out there through there. And then if you wanted to put another form in, you could bring in a little bit of eucalyptus to just give it another. I am going to fix this and make it look much better. But hold on. I'm getting a bit stuck into here. I've got a piece that can go into there. I'll bring that bit over and into there like so, and just see like with the different forms you just getting another little bit of interest. So you've got the leaf that's got the green, you've got the magnolia that's the green, and then the different little shading and tones of the eucalyptus. And then if you wanted to have it a little bit more movement, you could actually even probably put in a little bit of ivy and just build the whole thing up. Now from here, the next thing you can do is, I've got a few fresh lilies here. If you wanted to, you could just bring in a few lilies just like so. Or just hold that like that gently. And then just bring those into there like so, and then just keep going until you have achieved the look that you desire. Even eucalyptus, you could put berries into here. Look, the sky's the limit, but that's pretty much basically how you take a round and extend it into something that's elongated. I hope this has been of assistance to all of those who have asked. I've enjoyed sharing this with you. I will make it look a bit neater so that when we do the pickups, you can think, oh, that is a good idea. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you again another day.